Can you still use your iPhone 11 in 2021? Let's find out. Hi, Maximilian here, and today we're gonna take a look at my iPhone 11 that I bought last August. Since then, it's been my trusted daily driver that I've been using for everything: social media, news, video editing, managing my YouTube channel, etc. I had an iPhone and an Android phone before, and the only complaint that I had about the iPhone was its battery. With this iPhone, almost a year later, I cannot complain about the battery anymore. I use it during the day, all day, and I usually manage to get through the full day on a single charge. Battery health, surprisingly enough, still shows 100%, which was my major complaint with the last iPhone that I had. Now let's talk about the camera. Both wide and ultra-wide cameras work great, although there's no night mode for ultra-wide in the default camera app. The footage comes out rather noisy, but it's still usable for vlogging and social media in general. When it comes to performance, I haven't experienced any hiccups or slowdowns. Everything has been working really well. My phone is running on the latest iOS 14.4. So the question should be more like, should you use your iPhone 11 in 2021, or should you consider upgrading to iPhone 12 or switching to Android? For me, the answer is yes, you can, and you should probably use your iPhone 11. I will still be using my phone in 2021 and will probably upgrade to iPhone 12 or iPhone 13 next year if I need a better camera. Otherwise, I'm pretty content with this phone. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and take care.